Alright, now we have all the necessary data. Now there are a couple of follow-up questions. The first thing is we are asked to put the scope in XY mode and plot a Lissajous figure. Now it's very easy to do this in waveforms. If you just go to plus XY, it automatically plots the Lissajous plot. It's channel 1, the voltage value in channel 1 versus the voltage value in channel 2. Now, it asks us to observe it at 800 Hertz at the cutoff frequency, which we will do in a second, and 2 kilohertz. Now, we're not going to record sufficient data. We'll only observe and sketch. So at 800 Hertz, that's what we have. So you can just go ahead and sketch this value. Obviously, the capacitor value is way higher than the resistor value, so it's a vertical ellipse. 800, 2K, so 2 kilohertz. And that's what we have. It's not really to scale, but it's okay. Yeah, this is more like it. And lastly, at the cutoff frequency, which we'll also ask in 2.3. So let's find this. Let's go back to our data first. Go to this Excel built-in and go to VC. So this is our VC plot, kind of, and the cutoff frequency should be, the cutoff frequency will be somewhere around here, right? So when we divide 5 with root 2, we get something like 3.53, and we need to find the frequency that returns that value. So it should be somewhere between 1300 and 2K. So let's go back to the waveforms, close the Lissajous plot, open up measurements. Okay. So we need to find the value that will make the channel 2 maximum, 3.53. Let's go to the waveforms. As we said, it should be somewhere between 1300 and 2K. So let's start with 1.6 kilohertz. All right, we are really close. We just need to drop it a little, maybe 55. Oh, no. 65, 62. We're almost there. What? Yeah. So our cutoff frequency is approximately 1.63 kilohertz. Let's record that as well. So we need to find the VR, which is 3.42. The capacitor voltage is 3.53. Resistor phase is 0. and the phase difference is 88.3. Okay. And our measured FC was 1.63 kilohertz. Alright, lastly, we're just going to plot the Lissajous figure at the cutoff frequency. That's our figure. And you just need to sketch the two previous Lissajous figures at 800 Hertz and 2 kilohertz, and this one at the cutoff frequency. And that's it for the Lab 5 measurements.